So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to create a project on the Firebase account. So let's get started. First we will go to the Chrome browser and type here Firebase. Hit enter. You have to go to the first link on the Google. After going to the link, this website will automatically log into our account. You can see here. Now next we have to go to the console tab. After going to the console tab, you can see here below of get started button. You have to click on this. Now here we have to enter your project name. You can enter your name. I will write your name. Their data and click on continue. Again one time click on continue. Now here you have to select an account. I will select the default Firebase account and click on create project. Here our project is being creating. It will take some time. We have to wait for it. Here our project is being created. Now let's click on continue. It will redirect to the project panel. So here our project is created. If you want to see all projects, we have to click here. And if you want to create more projects, we have to click here. Now in the next video, we are going to see how to connect this project to the React application. So thank you for watching the video. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it. Thank you.